Start recording. Stop recording button. Speech off.
Hey guys, since you didn't like that video, apparently, because now another dislike has occurred. That's it. I'm done with these videos. After this video, I'm quitting YouTube.
I'm going to sleep.
After this video, I'm quitting YouTube. So this is the last video. Because I can't handle a dislike. Wow.
Bop it to start. Shout it.
What up?
Pull it. Shout it.
Hey.
Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Bop it. Shout it.
Hey.
Twist it. Twist it. Twist it. Shout it.
YouTube.
Bop it. Shout it.
Hey.
Bop it. Twist it. Shout it.
Hey.
Pull it. Twist it. Shout it.
Hey.
Wow. 25.
You be bop it.
I'm going to sleep.
Now, I don't know if this is for sure my last video, but I think this is ridiculous. I try to apologize for making a video, and yet now people are starting to dislike my content. Who is it? Is it some kid that wants to get revenge on me for something? Because I did nothing wrong. I did nothing. Anyways.
Camera chooser. Stop recording button. Speech off.
Be on site. Okay, wait a minute, what? This is Be on Site, and I'm going to sleep. Wait a minute, that's Boppin' Master H's catchphrase. That's Boppin' Master H's catchphrase.